Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Velux window remote not working or responding, reprogramming and power supply fix. Fix 1. Check the remote batteries. Remove the batteries from the remote, then insert a new set of batteries making sure the plus and minus ends are correct. Then press any button and check if the window responds. Second one is check the window power supply. Make sure the window has power. Then if it's main power window, check the circuit breaker or power switch. If it's solar powered, make sure the battery is charged and the solar panel is clean. Then try using the remote again. Third fix is move closer to the window. Stand within a feet of the window, then point the remote directly at the window control unit. Press the open or close button. Fourth one is restart the window power. Turn off the power at the window for about 30 seconds, then turn the power back on. Wait until the window finish starting up. Test the remote again. Fifth one is reprogram pair the remote. Locate the reset or P button on the window motor or control unit. Press and hold the button until the window enters pairing mode. On the remote, press and hold the pairing program button as instructed for your model. Wait for the window to confirm the connection. Test the remote by opening and closing the window. Thanks for watching.